Hi, this is David with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to look at understanding the key labels on the exterior of your RV. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so we are on the off-door side of the unit. We're in front of the LP door here, and you'll see there's a couple of labels. There's a tire and loading information, and there's a federal certification label. The tire and loading information you'll see will give you your size of the tire and the PSI rating. And then on this particular model, which is a Model Z 3100, it lists out for you your GVWR, your GAWR, your unloaded vehicle weight. Please keep in mind that that is specific to each unit. Some units are going to have different options which are going to weigh different. This particular unit, the GVWR, is 14,495. So basically what that means is that is the total weight of this unit that it can be while towing down the road. The gross axle weight rating, this unit has 7,000 pound axles on it, so you do not want to exceed 14,000 pounds as far as the axle rating. The unloaded vehicle weight is 11,923, so that is the unit's weight as it was built in production, without any water, without any fuel, basically basic what this unit was built with. So just keep in mind that this tag is very important for each particular unit, so you'll want to check your weights as some units may vary. This also has a manufacturing date on it. It's this particular unit shows it up here on the right. At the bottom of this tag is also your VIN number, which is a 17-digit number, so you can read that there. And then also the VIN number is printed on a tag on the side of the pin box, and we can take a look at that. Okay, so here we are on the side of the pin box. And here is the VIN tag that we just spoke about. It's a 17-digit number, just like on the off-door side label. Brinkley RV numbers start with 7T0, so you can keep that in mind. When you call us for service or when you call your dealership, you will want to have either the entire VIN or the last 7 digits of the VIN. That will help us find your unit for service. Okay, so here we are at the entry door of the unit, which also has another label for you. This is another indication of where to find the VIN number if you need to, as well as the cargo carrying capacity, and it tells you right on here, the cargo carrying capacity is 2,512 pounds on this particular Model Z 3100.